A while ago I bought some of these RC522 RFID readers, and I thought I'd use it to implement a card reader for my side door. I had originally planned to use the hardware I developed for my SMS door lock controller based on Micromite. I figured I'd modify the existing software, use most of the existing hardware, but delete the rather expensive cell phone modem. I encountered a problem trying to write an RC522 driver for the Micromite. Fortunately, these drivers are readily available for the Arduino. While I was unfamiliar with developing for the Arduino, I found it quite easy to get the basic hardware functionality up and running. The next step was to wire up a prototype board using the same dimensions as I'd used for my Micromite board. This allowed me to use the same faceplate hardware developed for my SMS door lock, making installation much easier. So then on to test. As with the SMS version, I included a Hall effect door open detector. This is used for an alarm, to switch on the porch light, amongst other things. Like the Micromite, the Arduino includes EEPROM, which is used to retain configuration information even after a power failure. While I'm happy with the result, you can buy an off-the-shelf RFID lock controller that does most of the core functions. Now, while it doesn't do everything my thing does, I'm probably not going to proceed beyond the prototype phase.